Hi friends, this is Dinesh Haria. I'll give some of the important news. Yesterday, 2.34 lakhs new corona cases were reported all over India. This is again a record high, and total number of active cases were 16.79 lakhs all over India. Out of these, almost 50% of the cases, that is 1.18 lakhs cases, were reported from Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi only. That means these three states are now accounting for almost 50% of the all India cases. Railways have now decided to transport liquid oxygen to take care of the shortage of oxygen in various states. Night curfew and the weekend curfew was started in Delhi to curb the spread of coronavirus. Yesterday, HDFC Bank has reported result for the quarter January to March 2021, and they have shown 18% increase in net profit compared to the last quarter, that is January to March 2020. That means banking industry is now come to the normal, and many banks will now show encouraging result in future also. Indian pharma export increased by 18% compared to last year. This is a very good sign, and Indian pharma is one of the largest exporter in the world also. 8 people were killed in shooting in Indianapolis in USA. Out of these, 4 were Sikhs. If you see, most of the channels are only giving news related to corona, and they are blaming various state government and central government for not providing proper health infrastructures. There is shortage of bed, oxygen and ventilator, which means there is increase in the death also. But not a single channel is showing why all of a sudden the coronavirus cases has gone up. If you notice, in last couple of months when the number of cases has reduced, most of the Indians have become lax. They were not following all the corona related protocol. Go to any vegetable market, you will see people were not maintaining any social distance. They were not wearing masks also. Even vegetable vendor was not wearing the mask. Hence, if someone is carrying coronavirus, he will already spread to others. Similarly, if you go to any shop, customers were not maintaining any social distancing. We as a responsible citizens must first see if someone is already buying something, we must maintain about 3 feet distance, and then when our turn comes, we must buy. But this was not followed. Second thing which is noticed, that many people with a mild symptoms like temperature and other things, they were taking some medicines, but they were not going for testing. If they do not test, government will not come to know whether that person is carrying coronavirus or no. In order to prevent 14 days quarantine, people with mild symptoms were taking some medicines, and they were continuing their daily activities, like they were going and attending their offices, or if there is a vegetable vendor, he was going and selling the vegetable vendor. If he is a shopkeeper, he was going and attending the shop. When such people who are carrying coronavirus are coming in contact with other people, they were spreading this without knowing that they are carrying coronavirus. And this has led to increase in coronavirus cases all over India. Hence, we must maintain all the corona related protocol properly, that is wearing the mask, maintaining social distance, and if there is any symptoms, we must go and do the testing and do the reporting also. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.